I decided to randomly start a vlog today. Today is Monday. I want to make this style on the screen right now with these two materials right here. Beautiful, right? This one will be the main fabric. This one will be the one under at the down. If you get the point. I get the point. If you don't get the point, you're the problem, not me. Okay, let us start what we have come into the room to do.
The following day. "75 years later."
So this is where I'm at. This is the lower part of the front of the gown. It's time to add this trimming. I've already marked where I'm going to add the trimming with a pen because for some reason I could not find my chalk, and I know you can't see what I marked, but after I've been adding the trimming, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully it looks similar to what is in the picture, okay? If not, this client is going to kill me. I'm done, and this is it. Yeah, I know, right? You don't want to see the back of this thing. You really don't want to see the back. But I'm gonna show you anyways. It looks so rough because for some reason, I don't know, the trimming was just giving my sewing machine a very hard time. So I just need to figure out a way to make the holes, like to create the holes. I don't know, soldering iron is coming to mind, and another thing that's coming to mind is scissors, but scissors will not give a neat finishing, so I'm really skeptical about using the scissors. I don't know how I'm gonna make the holes, but somehow I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that, and that will be work for another day. I was having dinner, by the way, rice and stew. Come on, join me. I think that'll be all for today. I'm just going to unwind, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. You won't believe if I told you that this is the third time I'm filming this particular clip. The first time my mic was off. The second time the mic was on and I forgot to press record. Anyways guys, good morning. Immediately I woke up this morning. Today is Wednesday, by the way. Immediately I woke up, I just went straight to figuring out how I was going to put the holes I told you about in this outfit. I told you I was confused and torn in between using a scissors and a soldering iron. So I finally decided to try and use the soldering iron. It was very difficult. I was literally struggling, but I was victorious in the end, and this is what it came out looking like. This is what it's looking like. I know. Applaud say. Yeah, I think the outfit is finally coming together. This was the most technical part. I've not done this type of design before, so it was really a lot trying to figure out how to go about it, but I'm glad that I'm finally done with it. Today, I don't even know what I'm going to be doing today. I think it's obvious. I'm going to be sewing today, of course. I need to finish this dress because at the rate I'm going with this outfit, I think I might use a whole 2 weeks to finish this dress. And I don't want that to happen because I have a whole bunch of other things to do. I was thinking about going to the market today, but I don't know if I'm still going to go to the market today. I might just leave it for tomorrow and just lock in and try and see where I can get to on this outfit. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll just sit my ass at home and sew and leave market for tomorrow, maybe.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So this is where I'm at right now on this dress. I think it's coming together. I look-key like this neckline. Queen Anne, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's giving. that's the front. This is the back, one piece of the back and the second piece of the back. The whole outfit is gradually coming together. My sister signed me up on a dating app. I'm so pathetic. I don't know why she would do that. I've told her that I don't need a man in my life. Obviously, she thinks otherwise, because why else would she sign me up on a dating app? Anyways, y'all, you know the crazy thing about this particular dating app? In the app, you as the woman, you are the initiator. Like, you literally swipe right on anybody you find attractive or whatever. Then not only would you swipe right, you're the one to text first. The way they built the app, you're the one to text first. Alright, that's gonna be all for tonight. I would have really loved a sewing in real time and discussing, but that can't happen right now because my brain is blank. So yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. I think today is Friday. I don't know what the time is saying. I think the time should be around to 10 or after 10. I don't know. I'm going to market. The market I told you guys I was going to go to, I think a few days ago. This is my look for the market. I don't like as my hair is hanging up like this. I wish it was down, but I think because my hair is virgin, so it just hangs up like this. So yeah, let's do a little what's in my bag. I don't have much in my bag actually, because it's just the market. First off, we have my earpiece. I usually like to carry my earpiece anywhere I'm going. Second off, we have cash for what I want to buy and my transport fare. What else? Okay, I'm going to be taking this polythene bag as well. They'll be giving me all these small nylons, and just to be able to put everything together inside one big nylon. It looked like it was going to rain a few hours ago, so I was really skeptical about going to the market, but I think the coast is clear, even though it looks a bit dewy, as if there are clouds outside. I would have loved to take you guys along with me to the market, but I don't know if I'll be able to film, because I mean, this is Lagos. I'm going to be so scared to bring out my phone to film in the market. Everywhere is going to be so rowdy. I'll try my best. Hopefully I'll be able to film. So yeah, let's head to the market.
Much later.
I'm almost home. I think it's like a minute walk to my house. So I just got in the house. I would have loved to just get into it and show you guys everything I got in the market, but I'm mad hungry. I didn't eat this morning before I left, so I just want to go and fix myself what to eat. Then after that, I'll just relax and show you guys everything I got from the market. So this is everything I got. This is leather fabric. I got 1 yard, black zipper, and this button. I don't know if I should call this chiffon. I don't know, there's just something about this fabric. I like the color black and white, and I also like the print. So I feel very tired, my eyes hurt and my head hurts. I feel stressed out, but I can't rest because my mind knows that I have things to do. I didn't vlog yet. Yeah, that's true. I didn't vlog yesterday. Nothing much really happened yesterday. I was just basically sewing and sewing and sewing. The last time I gave you guys updates on the outfit I was making, I think I showed you guys the front, the cup of the front and the back pieces. I think what I did yesterday was to couple the front and the back together and join it to the lower part of the outfit. Everything is basically together. I fixed the sleeves and shit. The only thing that's left for me to do right now is to finish the bottom of the gown. I think that's what I'll be doing for the rest of today. Basically today I'll be done with that outfit.
2 days later.
Good evening guys, today is Sunday. This is almost 9 p.m. and I want to end this vlog here. On Friday I told you guys that I was going to finish that outfit, but I didn't finish it on Friday. I finished it very early on Saturday morning. I couldn't make proper videos of the dress for YouTube, but I made videos of the dress for Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok and Instagram handle is at DaraTheB. In fact, all my social media is at DaraTheB. So if you want to see the full outfit, just check out my Instagram and my TikTok. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's anything you'd like to tell me or anything you'd like to say, drop it in the comments, and also subscribe. We're currently at 600 subscribers. So yeah, that's gonna be all for now. Bye, see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah.